My name is Mark MacSymon. I'm a wealth manager at Private Client Holdings. There's no doubt that investing in equities as an asset class is a sure way to build real wealth over the longer term, and a lot of investors have generated a significant amount of wealth by investing in equities. But in the short term, it remains a particularly volatile asset class. And for early stage investors and for young investors who have smaller denominations of money, it's very difficult to build a very well diversified basket of equities or a portfolio of equities when you consider that one Naspers share will cost you about 3,100 Rand today. South Africa's top asset management companies, which would include the likes of Allan Gray, Investec, Prudential and Coronation, I think young investors would do well to go and have a look at what those asset managers are including, I suppose their top 10 holdings in those unit trust funds, and then perform their own due diligence on the companies that those asset managers are holding to really get a good understanding of why those asset managers find value in those companies. So go and have a look at the company financials, have a look at the CEO reports, and perform that basic due diligence to start getting an understanding of the inner workings of those companies. And so depending on what those asset managers are holding in their portfolios, and depending whether or not those companies resonate with you or not by way of the services they provide or the goods they sell, as well as the costs of those unit trusts, use that as part of your decision-making process as to whether or not to invest in that unit trust fund or not. And I think that the activity of gaining that understanding and educating yourself as to the companies that those unit trust fund managers are holding is almost far more valuable than the returns they provide in the short term, for the benefit that they'll provide in the longer term in terms of your understanding of the instruments that you're investing in will provide tremendous value over the longer term. Alternatively, if you have the confidence to build your own share portfolio, and if not for the reasons of improving your own investment acumen, then it is possible to build a share portfolio using direct online platforms such as Easy Equities, for instance, where the brokerage costs are low, and there's plenty of information about various listed companies on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange.